Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and today's video we got the UGREEN suction cup magnetic phone mount. So this is relatively a new product from UGREEN. They have another variant which is the clip version, and this is the new one. So let's open it first and then I'll show you guys in action and where you can use this. So here's a brief overview of the packaging. You can see, and in the back is just yeah, all the other details, where it's from, made in China. And yeah, let's open it up and see what you get. So this one actually directly was imported from China, so it wasn't available in Malaysia. So yep, just had to point that out. And we got the user manual. Let's take out everything. So this does come with magnets, so you can see they did provide us some magnets in case your phone doesn't have a magnetic ring. You can actually attach it to your phone and use it. So let's just open it up and you can see, yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is the suction part. You can tear this off, and then over here is the magnetic part, so I can remove it. Yeah, design wise looks pretty nice. So now I can like turn it if I want. You can see, and you can push up like this. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You can put the phone here and then you can use the suction part to attach on something, maybe a windscreen or something. So that's the device. So this one is just, yeah, the user manual, which I'm not gonna go through. We have the metal rings, as I said, so they do provide two, I believe, usually. So yeah, that's two. So in case your phone doesn't have, you can attach it to your phone. I think this is extra suction base. Let me just check. Yeah, this is an extra one. In case your old one is worn off, it can be replaced with this one, which is nice. So they give one extra suction base just in case your old one is worn off. And yeah, so that's about it. And so this is how it looks like. You can try attaching to a surface and it should stay still. I'm not sure this surface works because this is not windscreen. Let me try. If I turn it to the max, you see, oh, it's quite steady. So yeah, it doesn't move at all. You can see. So even on a flat surface, this is a wooden table, it is very steady, can't even come out. You can see. So you want to unrelease it, you just turn to the left and yeah, it's released. So it's pretty nice. You just push like this, push down, and then you turn, it locks it in place. So yeah, pretty nice. And you want to take out, just to the left. So pretty cool. And this is gonna be very handy for, especially in the car. You can put in the car windscreen, you can hang it anyhow you want, and it's gonna be staying put. I have not tried it yet, but I will try it for myself to see how it works. And yeah, other than that, that's all for me, guys. This is a quick unboxing and overview of this UGREEN suction suction cup magnetic phone mount. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description. You can buy this product for yourself. This one is directly imported from China. It's not available in the UGREEN Malaysia shop, so this is something to take note of. So shipping, it will take at least 1 to 2 weeks, so not that. So yeah, that's all for me, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, we are now in the car. I'll show you guys how to like use this in the situation where you want to put this on the dashboard. So like this, for example, you can actually do it, or you also can mount this on the windscreen over here. Depends how you want to mount it, but for most of the time you want to mount it on a flat surface like this, so you can put your device. So I just want to turn it on. Yeah, I can do it with one hand, but let me see. So you can just twist it. I think my dashboard is not flat. Yeah, it's a bit hard to do it because it's not flat, so suggest you do it on a windscreen, so it's much easier. So let's say like this, it's like that, and then you should be able to turn it, and done. It's locked, you can see. So it will never come out unless you obviously turn it left side, and then it comes out. So yeah, that's one of the use cases for this. If not, you can mount it somewhere with a flat surface. So the dashboard for my car, it seems like you can't, because it's not flat and it's very rough. So really depends on the car you're having. So yep, that's one of the use cases for this UGREEN suction cup with the magnetic ring for you to put your device on top of it.